Hi guys! So tapos na kami nagsimba. Tapos diretso kami dito sa Walmart. At kami maggo-grocery. Nandun yung asawa ko. Si Patty umiiyak. Kasi kumain ng donut at saka uminom ng juice na motion sickness siya. Feeling niya masusuka siya. Like, they arranged it already. Maganda na yung Walmart. Hindi na magulo. It looks good. Maybe like 3 pieces. Are we looking soft?
Softer.
Okay, put that one there.
Okay.
We got 2? Oh, they got some already. Okay, we get some apple.
I will put the apples in. I will get green. Can you help me, Mommy? Can you help me?
Okay. Just hold the bag. Mommy will choose.
But I want.
No.
No,
No, because I have to look if it's damaged or not. Okay, just hold the bag for me. Okay.
Okay,
no,
baby.
we're not doing double things, Pat.
Oh, this one. This is
No,
good.
that's not a good
This
one.
is good. Oh,
That's
this
not
is.
a good one. See, like this, oh. See, it has damage.
You mean like this? This? This is not
No.
Dano's. This is not Dano's. How about this one?
Just open the bag for me, okay? Let's get cucumber. Maybe just 1, because I don't want it. Maybe 2, but small one.
Well, maybe this is.
Hold on, let me pick. Just hold the bag for me. No, Patty, I told you.
Oh
just
my God! You hit my hand.
Yeah, 2 of small ones.
Onion.
Okay, bring that to Dad.
You. I'll get another one.
No, we have to look if that's good or not.
I'm gonna smell it. Ooh, this is good. Smell.
I think this is good. This one. Now let's get jicama. Just 1 for our cucumber. Jicama. Singkamas. Put that in Daddy's cart. Maybe just salad. I don't know if I need salad. Maybe this one.
How about this one?
I gotta get out of the road.
Okay.
No, that's fine.
Hi. Or with bread.
How about this?
I think this one is good. Okay.
No, I want
Give
this
this to that. No, we only get 1 bread because I don't want it to get bad. Yeah. We just get Hawaiian bread in Costco.
Dada, you said. I don't want to.
Quick grocery.
Yeah, ah! There's a bag. Pick it up. No. Can I step on it? No.
Maybe
No.
7-Up or ginger ale
It's up to you, whatever you like.
or Sprite.
That.
Just Sprite. Right
Oh,
there.
Daddy, can we get
Get
those
Sprite.
spicy things?
There's no little one, only yung malaki. They have French vanilla, but the big one. You don't want it. How many of these? Just 1 for now? Okay. Okay. For our coffee. I don't know where are they.
I heard the scissors noise. I think I know where it is. Maybe this way. Because I
Wala
heard
sila George, guys. Ano sila? Maybe over there. I hear them. Say hi, baby. I don't know where are they. Saan na sila nagpunta? No, they're not here. Hold on.
Maybe this way? Oh, those marshmallows. Oh, where? Mason, where's this?
That one?
Yeah.
Wala na guys, hindi na namin sila nakita.
Hold on, we buy this.
Tingin-tingin muna kami dito.
Oh, mommy, we should buy this.
Not that,
The
not
cat.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta look for Dad and Patty. I think they went to the birthday candles for your birthday. We're looking for a number 6 birthday candle. Yeah. It's not gonna have enough space for your cake.
Oh no,
Because that's a lot.
These are just.
Because we're still gonna put the Hello Kitty decoration on top of the cake.
Lamps.
Yeah. So which candle you want?
This one.
6. So.
And the Trichy gets it.
Oh. You don't want this one? This is nice.
Oh no. Wait,
You sure?
Can we get this?
No,
like,
not
right?
that. Not that. We're having the party in the park. No. We don't want to make a mess there. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, let's check.
This has 3 tablecloth. I think that will be enough. Pink. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's go and find out. Oh, those are. Oh, mommy, look. This is so cute. Can we get?
Not that, baby.
What are these?
No, this is for birthday party.
Just a bird.
So we need to find a spoon because we have plenty of forks. Just spoon. Bili-bili kami guys. Dagdag na lang sa aming party. Birthday kasi nila sa Sunday.
Oh, we should get.
Ito na lang. Kasi
Okay, let's get.
pure spoons lang. Kasi we have plenty of forks. We need spoons. Yan na lang. Sige. Hindi namin mahanap sina George at si Patty guys. Ewan na saan na sila. Hold that. Let's go. Let's go find them.
I think they're there in the checkout.
I know. I don't know where are they. Oh my God, where are they? Hindi ako makatingin-tingin sa ibang mga items guys. Kasi lahat kami andito pag ako lang mag-isa.
I think they're going.
Titingin-tingin pa ako lalo na sa mga clearance section. I really don't know where are they. Nakapangsimba pa kami na damit. Ayun guys, so nahanap na namin si
Ayun,
Patty at saka
guys.
yung daddy nila. Parehas pala kaming naghahanap. Hinahanap namin ang isa't isa. Andun siya ngayon, nagbabayad na. Dito kami ngayon naghihintay sa entrance. So, mahirap pag hindi dala ang cellphone. Ako lang may cellphone. Kung gusto ko siya tawagan, wala. Hindi pwede. Hindi kasi siya nagdadala ng cellphone guys. Laging iniiwan sa bahay. Hindi siya kagaya ko. Maya-maya dala ang cellphone.
Oh yeah, and on your official seat. Does it come with sauces and plates and forks and stuff like that? Yeah, if you put this sauces and plates and forks and stuff.
the Yeah.
sauce?
Sauces, you know.
Oh, the sauce? Yeah.
Can 2 goes in there?
Well, no, it's for one. It's meant for one.
Okay. Well, you just share, girls.
Yeah, it's $25. So you get
Okay. Well, let's try one first. So we're here guys kasi mag-order na kami ng cake para sa birthday nila.
See, look.
So pumili na kami, nakapili na sila ng cake guys. Yung dalawang round ang pinili nila para tig isa-isa. Para pipick upin na lang. We're here now in the pool, in the city public pool.
I'm tired, guys.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
So dinala ko yung girls. Okay, you can go ahead.
Yay!
Dinala ko yung kambal dito guys sa pool. Magmi-meet up din kami dito ng aking kaibigan na Pinay. Tsaka may mga anak din. Yeah. No, you have to bring your floats. You have to bring your floats.
Oh, I want to go there.
Bye-bye.
Hi, guys.
Leave the shoes here, Ariana. Don't bring the shoes there. Yeah. Okay, take off the shoes. Nakasapatos pa. Pumunta ng pool. Kami ngayon guys sa city pool. Wala nang mga pasok kaya andito na kami. Dito yung mga kaibigan ko din Pinay, may mga anak. Tsaka yung dalawa kong kambal. Kain sila ng chicken. Wow! So, a-attend na naman kami ng party guys. 1-year-old birthday party. So, andun yung asawa ko lumabas sa store kasi bibili muna ng cookies para dalhin namin sa party.
Look at the cake. This is the whole cake.
I think I will just close this one now.
Ayan, ganda-ganda. 1-year-old birthday party ng aming friend guys. Ito yung inano nila sa mga bata dito sa backyard. Patty, Jana.